Hi, dear moms. Welcome to the Math Made Simple series. That is, the ages, the child's age when it is from 8 to 14, it is very crucial age uh, to build the math foundation. Because if you don't build the math foundation in these ages, then later it will become very difficult. So it's very much important to build even at home by simple habits. Like it's the responsibility of like we moms. Not only in school, however, they will learn, but at home also we can uh, use these habits and implement these habits and make them love math, like math, right? So that we can do. I'll be telling you those three habits which you can implement it. Yeah. Actually, this morning, even I was discussing with my sister also. When school is there, when they learn in a structured manner, what is the need for them to learn at home also? Both are equally important. Learning at school is also important. That is in a structured manner they are learning, and learning at home with whatever day-to-day tasks they are doing with those tasks also, if they're learning math, that is really good, right? So it's really important to learn at home also. Whatever day-to-day tasks they are doing, along with that learning should happen. So now I'll be telling three simple things that you can do at home to strengthen your child's math foundation, right? First thing is you can talk numbers daily. So while you take them out for shopping, you can just ask them, like, if one mango is costing you 30 rupees, then nine mangoes, how many rupees? Like that, you can just ask them simple questions. So this makes them that the numbers are real and they are not scary, right? And also, whenever you go for a shopping outside, like in a mall, or whenever you're doing online shopping, ask them before going to the total bill. You just ask them to estimate the bill, estimate the amount. So with that also they can learn to calculate, and their brain also will become sharper, right? And also, always appreciate their effort. But like, you just tell them, like, it's a good try, and what else, in what else ways we can calculate this, like that you have to guide them, we have to appreciate them. Then math becomes very like math in their foundation years, it's very important for them to love math, right? From the ages of 8 years to 14 years, right? So we can start, we can start their found building their foundation strong. So that's it for this video. Thank you.